Hey, mama, rock me. Headed down south to the land of the pine, thumbing my way into North Carolina, staring down the road and pray to God I see headlights. I made it down the coast in 17 hours, picking me a bouquet of dogwood flowers. I'm hoping for Raleigh I could see my baby tonight. But so rock me, mama, like a wagon wheel. Rock me, mama, any way you feel. Hey, mama, rock me. Rock me, mama, like the wind and the rain. Rock me, mama, like a southbound train. Hey, mama, rock me. Running from the cold up in New England, I was born to be a cruising in this tropical island. My baby plays the keyboard, I pick this ukulele now. North Country winter keeps it getting me down. Lost my money playing poker and I had to leave town. I ain't turning back to living that old life no more. So rock me, mama, like a wagon wheel. Rock me, mama, any way you feel. Hey, mama, rock me. Rock me, mama, like the wind and the rain. Rock me, mama, like a southbound train. Hey, mama, rock me. Walking due south out of Roanoke, caught a trucker out of Philly at a nice long toke. He's heading west to the Cumberland Gap, Johnson City, Tennessee. I've gotta get a move on before the sun. I hear my baby calling my name and I know that she's the only one. If I die in Raleigh, I know I will die free. So rock me, mama, like a wagon wheel. Rock me, mama, any way you feel. Hey, mama, rock me. Rock me, mama, like the wind and the rain. Rock me, mama, like a southbound train. Hey, mama, rock me. Rock me, mama, like a wagon wheel. Rock me, mama, any way you feel. Hey, mama, rock me. Rock me, mama, like the wind and the rain. Rock me, mama, like a southbound train. Hey, mama, rock me.